Now we will do LCM method number 4. The same method we will use it for HCF method number 4. If you understand the parallel between HCF and LCM, you will not get confused. HCF method number 4. HCF method number 4. HCF method number 4. Now listen carefully. What is that we discussed? LCM of 12, 18. LCM of 12, 18. This can be written as, first take the factor common. 12 is 6 into 2, 18 it is 6 into 3. Am I right? 6 into 2, 6 into 3. Take the factor common, which is 6. LCM of 2, 3. LCM of, if I take the factor common, remaining numbers in bracket became co-prime numbers. LCM of co-prime, it is their product. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Same process we will do it for HCF. HCF of 12, 18. 12, 18. First take the factor common out. 6 into 2 and 6 into 3. Factor common out. 6 into HCF of 2, 3. Here LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. So 6 into 6 I got. 2 and 3. HCF of co-primes it is 1. So 6 into 1 it is 6. Same process. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is 15, 25 and 35. 15, 25 and 35. Take the factor common out. 15 it will be 5 into 3. 25, 5 into 5. 35, 5 into 7. 5 it is taken out. So 5 into HCF of 357. 357. All has got only one factor common, that is 1. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Take the factor common out. If it is LCM, LCM of co-primes is their product. If it is HCF, HCF of co-primes it is 1. HCF of co-primes it is 1. I hope HCF method number 4 and LCM method number 4. You understood the parallelism. You understood the parallelism. Next one. Next one. LCM method number 5. LCM method number 5. HCF method number 5. Both the similarities we will see. HCF method number 5. Now if you see here, first question, LCM of 6 and 9, it is 18. What is that concept yesterday we discussed? LCM of 6 and 9, it is 18. Given inputs, this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Both the inputs are divisible by 3. Both the inputs are divisible by 3. Answer 18. It is also divisible by 3. If the inputs both are divisible by 3, answer it is divisible by 3. Similarly, here HCF of 6 and 9. HCF of 6 and 9. It is 3. 6 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. Answer 3 is also divisible by 3. So this concept also holds good for HCF. Inputs are divisible by 3. All the inputs are divisible by 3. Output is also divisible by 3. Output it is also divisible by 3. Both the inputs are divisible by 3. Answer also it is divisible by 3. Suppose for example, LCM of 6, 8. 6, 8. It is 24. 6, 8. It is 24. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. LCM of 6, 8, 24. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 2. Learning. LCM of even numbers. LCM of even numbers is always an even number. LCM of odd numbers. LCM of odd numbers, it is always an odd number. If there are even numbers, LCM of even numbers is even, LCM of odd numbers, it is odd. Let us do this one. HCF of 4 commas 8. 4 is an even number, 8 is an even number. Answer will be 4. Answer will be 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Answer will be 4. So here also HCF of even numbers, it will help us in eliminating answer options. HCF of even number, it is always even. HCF of odd numbers, it is always odd. HCF of odd numbers, it is always odd. Similarity. One important conclusion, sir. Listen carefully. HCF of 6 comma 8. 6 comma 8. 6 is not a factor of 8. 3 is not a factor of 8. 2 is a factor of 8. So answer is 2. Listen carefully, sir. This is a multiple of 4. This is a multiple of 4. Answer, it is a multiple of 4. If one of the inputs is a multiple of k, answer is also a multiple of k. Now if you see here, listen carefully. Is it holds good for this point? This is a multiple of 4. Is the answer a multiple of 4? Answer is not a multiple of 4. So this will work for only all the inputs. Both the inputs are divisible by k. Answer will be divisible by k for HCF. If one of them is divisible by k, answer LCM will be divisible by k. One of them is enough for LCM condition. One of them is enough for an LCM condition. See here, sir. LCM of 3, 5 and 7. It is co-primes, it is 3 into 5 into 7. One of them is divisible by 3. Answer is divisible by 3. One of them is divisible by 7. Answer is divisible by 7. If one of them, HCF of 3, 5 and 7, it is 1. One of them is divisible by 3. Is the answer divisible by 3? No. One of them condition will not come in HCF, but in LCM, one of them condition will come. One of them condition will come. I hope these two are very, very important. If all the inputs are divisible by 4, answer will be divisible by 4. Tick mark, tick mark. All the numbers are divisible by k. Inputs, answer will be divisible by k. If one of them is divisible by k, LCM tick mark, HCF cross mark. I hope you understood the inputs. All of them condition holds good for both LCM and HCF. If one of them is divisible by 4, answer is not divisible by 4. If one of them is divisible by 3, answer is divisible by 3. One of them, if one of them is divisible by k, it is enough here. It is enough here. For LCM, answer should be divisible by k. This does not hold good for HCF. This does not hold good for HCF. I hope the idea it is clear. LCM method 5, HCF method number 5. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, base here, sir. 82nd question. See this question, you can solve it by using answer options. How to eliminate? Eliminating answer option approach. Listen carefully, sir. Eliminating answer option approach. Eliminating answer option approach. 4 questions I will solve, which will give an idea how you can eliminate answer option in HCF. The same thing we did it in LCM yesterday by telling this cannot be possible, this cannot be possible. First question. HCF of, read the question, HCF of 420 comma 1782. 420 comma 1782. This is an even number. This is an even number. HCF of even numbers, it is always even. HCF of even numbers, it is always even. Are you all with me? HCF of even numbers, it is always even. So answer 7 cannot be possible. 7 cannot be possible. Next one. Listen carefully. If the answer is 4, All of them it is possible. If is 420 divisible by 4? Yes. 420, last two digits 20, it is divisible by 4. If the first option is true, this is also divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4. In HCF, all of them are divisible by K. Answer should be divisible by K. If this is divisible by 4, answer if it is first option divisible by 4, this should be divisible by 4. 82. 82, it is not divisible by 4. So first option it is incorrect. If it is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? Answer for this question is option 3. Option 3, it is 6. That is how you can eliminate the answer options. Again, I am explaining. Listen carefully, sir. HCF of 420, 1782. 420, it is an even number. 1782, it is an even number. HCF of two even numbers, it is an even number. Option number 2, it is out. Second way of looking at it is, if this is divisible by 4, what is HCF condition? If the inputs all are divisible by K, answer will be divisible by K. If I take the first option, 420 is divisible by 4. This is also divisible by 4. The another input also should be divisible by 4. 82, it is not divisible by 4. 82, it is not divisible by 4. First option, it is out. If it is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? So, 3 options are eliminated because of HCF method number 5. Idea clear? One more question. Let us solve it logically. HCF of 210, 495 and 980. 210, 495 and 980. If I take the answer as 10, if all of them are divisible by 10, then only answer will be divisible by 10. If first option, if I take any number divisible by 10, unit digit will be 0. These are divisible by 10. These are divisible by 10. All of them should be divisible by 10. So for it, the answer to be divisible by 10. 10 is eliminated. If I am getting the answer 10, that means answer is divisible by 10. All the options should be divisible by 10. Second option is not divisible by 10. If it is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? 20 is 2 into 10. Fourth option, it is not possible. If it is 15, 15 is derived from 5 into 3. Answer is divisible by 3 and 5. If the answer is divisible by 3 and 5, all the inputs should be divisible by 3 and 5. Divisible by 5, divisible by 5, divisible by 5. 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 9 plus 5, divisible by 3. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is divisible by 3? No. So answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. I hope the idea it is clear. If all the inputs are divisible by K, answer will be divisible by K. Answer is 10. That means it is divisible by 10. All of them should be divisible by 10. Second option not divisible by 10. First option eliminated. If it is not divisible by 10, how can it not be divisible by 20? Fourth option eliminated. 15, it is 5 into 3. 980. 9 plus 8, 17. 17, it is not divisible by 3. Second option out. I hope the idea